on, join the excitement of our vlog today in Kota Gede, Yogyakarta.
And the first place we visited was Nathan Bookstore. This is one of the destinations you can visit when playing in Kota Gede. A bookstore located at Jalan Mondorakan, number 5, Prengan, Kota Gede, Yogyakarta. Named Nathan Bookstore, the place utilizes one corner of a building that has been standing since 1857 or is around 166 years old. Here not only sell books, but there is also a cafe. The building is aesthetically decorated with traditional touch. The owner of Dalam Nathan Royal Heritage, Nasir Tamara, explained that the cultural heritage building he occupied was one the residence of rich people in Jogja at that time. He only opened the bookstore 4 years ago, before the pandemic, as an additional attraction for visitors to the cultural heritage site. The idea emerged after he saw an empty room facing an unused but strategic road. He also realized that bookstores were rarely found in the southern area of Jogja, mostly in the northern area of Jogja, and for decades there have been no bookstore, he said. All the books in the Nathan Bookstore are curated by Nasir in order to sell high-quality books. This shop is open every day from 9 until 6 p.m. and only closed on national holiday.
Okay, next destination is Between Two Gates. The location is not too far from Nathan's bookstore. It only takes 6 minutes. Between Two Gates is the smallest neighborhood of the settlement, which is semi-closed because it's flanked by 2 gates at both ends. This environmental unit is performed from a number of joglos consisting of dalams and penhapes lined up in one row. The houses are lined up facing north-south and separated by a narrow hallway. What's unique is the houses facing each other belong to one person. The main house is on the north side facing south. The average width of the road and alley in the Between Two Gates is 1.5 to 2.5 meters. In the Between Two Gates area, you can also see the division of space zone, which still maintain Japanese house culture, namely the placement of space is divided based on the nature of the space is public, semi-public, private, and semi-private. Public space is a space that can be passed or entered by everyone. For example, a street and hallway. Semi-public space are spaces that are only intended for certain people, such as the yard and terrace. Private space is a very private space and only family members are allowed to enter it. Then the semi-private room can be a reading room.